channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face Setting Spray. I'm so excited to be finally doing this. I have been thinking of getting this product for such a long time. I know I've been teasing y'all on Instagram, but it's finally here. So I thought we can do like some sort of a first impression slash what I think, how I feel, because I know there's a lot of controversy around this product because of the scent and the alcohol content and all that stuff. So we will see how it goes. I was thinking of doing this like so the whole makeup portion, like, because I do have to put on a full face of makeup, so that whole portion I will speed it through and shall see whether it actually lives up to its name. Does it do what it says, or is it really that bad? Is it really that strong that I don't like it? So for now, just keep watching. I will put on a full face of makeup and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. So we're finally done and it's time to actually open up this guy. I've been waiting to use this. Okay, so it comes in this very velvety matte type of box. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the product itself. It came with a pink ribbon. Let me see. Ooh, this one. So it was sealed, but I kind of took it off because I wanted to see how it smelled. So this was like that. So there is a way to actually use it. It says after applying makeup, hold 8 inches away from the face. Avoid applying directly on eyes and lips. Keep eyes and mouth closed. I think I need to hear that because I tend to My mouth is always open when I spray on setting spray. I know that a lot of people have asked me like, why can't you close your mouth? I do not know, but okay. So they said shake well. To be honest, I'm a bit nervous because I've been seeing a lot of reviews and not all of them have been good. Okay, so we just close our eyes and go on. So okay, here goes. Oh my gosh. I don't mean to laugh, but the smell. Okay, if you Indian girls out there, or if you basically lived in Malaysia, you would remember your parents, your aunties would use this one hairspray, the one that comes in the red can. It's got a white cap. This smells a lot like it. Like it's got that sort of vibe, but okay, let's spray a bit more because I love setting sprays so much. Okay, too much. Okay, right off the back of my hand, the smell is strong. It's not like a little bit strong, it is strong. I mean, like I can smell it, but it's not an unpleasant smell. Like I'm okay with it, like. But I gotta say something, my makeup looks really good. My highlighter looks amazing, so I'm not going out today, sadly. So what I'll do is I'm just gonna leave it on for a couple of hours and then I will come back and then I'll let you guys know what I think, how it looks like, and also I'll see you guys. Hi guys, so it's been a couple of hours. I actually filmed this after work and I think I got done about I want to say 8:15 and now it's 11:52. So we have had it on for about close to about 4 hours and this is how the makeup is looking so far. To be honest, I think it looks good. Like to me it looks Okay, so we're gonna go in quickly to talk about the pros and the cons of the product, which is very controversial. So I'm going to talk about the cons first. So the first thing I noticed is that I've got a bit of like peeling here because I've got a bit of sunburn going on. So I've got a bit of peeling, and before I actually put on makeup, I was sort of taking off the dry skin thing. I was removing that, and when I actually applied this, I noticed that the skin actually stung slightly in this area and here, because I did do a bit of like, I did aggravate this part and this part. So I noticed that these two areas were slightly stingy, like it did sting. So that's one thing so that means, I would just presume, that you cannot use it if you have injured skin, if you've got really bad pimply skin because you've got exposed injured skin. I do not think this would go well on top of that because it's just going to end up stinging you more. Like my other setting sprays don't do this, sorry. My other setting sprays, for example, the Catrice one doesn't do this. Like I don't have that problem with a lot of other setting sprays. So this is the first one that I'm actually noticing that. Okay, so the second con, like, I mean, I would not call it a con, but it's something unusual. It's definitely the scent. Like I can still smell it on my face, but it doesn't bother me too much because I am a person that I like strong scents, and I have a lot of perfumes, and I'm always carrying around at least 2 or 3 at a given time because I love perfumes. I love to smell good. So the idea of having my face smell good and allowing me to sort of like smell it throughout the day is like, oh, like I'm really excited. And the third thing is, what was it again? Okay, so you remember how they said keep your eyes and mouth closed? I think my mouth was not like shut, like that shut. I don't think it was like that. So what happened was, after I actually sprayed it on, I remember I went in with the second time. When I actually went out, like went down, I could taste the product in my mouth. So if they say keep your eyes and mouth shut, keep it shut. So next time I'm going to like shut like this, and not like or like little bit gaps, like no, just keep it shut. So that's the third thing. As for the pros, so I gotta accept my makeup looks really really good. My highlight is still on, if you can see. I sort of look almost the same as the one that I actually just did a few clips earlier. I looked actually the same, and I think that as time had gone on, the makeup has actually like sort of melted into the skin, which I'm really excited about, and it has lasted, like it looks amazing. So the final question, will I be using it again? Definitely yes, because to me all the cons that I spoke about, to me personally, were okay. I'm able to like live with it. Like the scent, like I said, I don't have a big problem with it. As for the mouth tasting thing, I gotta like keep my mouth shut after I do this. Like I gotta completely sealed. As for the stinging ones, I just gotta just be careful. I just gotta be careful with my skin if I've got any breakouts or anything like that. But I will definitely use it again, because first thing is I love the way it has made my makeup look, and I cannot wait to try this for like a night out. Is it gonna last the entire night? I cannot wait. I will update you all on my Instagram, so keep watching that space. Yeah, so that's about it for this review. I hope you liked it. Please do comment below, what are your thoughts? Have you tried this? Have you been thinking of trying it? Let me know your thoughts down below. And if you're new, welcome. Please do subscribe. It'll mean a lot to me. And yep, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!